In this WebDev Quickie session, we're going to have a look at HTML templates. And HTML templates are part of the technologies around web components, but don't confuse it with custom elements or Shadow DOM. It's completely standalone. It can be used with those technologies, but it doesn't have to. So HTML templates are essentially holders of document fragments. And let me show you how that works. So what you have here on the right side is a table, and it contains prename and last name, and it only has one entry. And we want to add another entry, and that's going to be Angelina as prename and last name Jolie. So what we could do is use document create element and create a new TR, and then use again document create element to create new TDs and so on and so forth. But instead, we want to make use of a template. And for that, we write template in the HTML, and then comes the skeleton that we want to use. And that's going to be TR and two TDs within. And then we close the template again. And we also give it an ID such that we're able to easily access it. And I'll call it my template. Now, in the script file, we want to access that template. So we say TPL equals elem by ID, and then the my minus template. And then to get the actual nodes, what you do is you say cloned tr equals tpl.content, and by that you get the document fragment that lives within that template, and you want to clone that. So you say dot clone node, and then you provide the true flag such that you also clone the children. And now that you have that tr, you can say clone tr and call the query selector all on it, because you want to query the TDs. Then you for each them, and you'll get the TD elem and the index I. And when we iterate those and it's the first index, so I equals 0, then we want to set the prename. So TD elem.inner text, it's going to be Angelina. And if it's not, then it's going to be the second index. So TD elem inner text Jolie. Now we have cloned the fragment and we have filled it, but we also need to add it to the table. So we need to query the table and the body within that table. And then we call append child with our cloned TR element. Then we save that, and Angelina Jolie is going to appear in the table. And that's basically it to get started with HTML templates. And if you have any questions or remarks, put them to the comments. Cheers and have a good day.